Since 1888, Abbott Laboratories has been bringing people and products together in the healthcare industry to over 130 countries worldwide. Abbott has demonstrated its commitment to quality through its continuous development in personnel, products, and performance. This commitment is carried out through a variety of programs that foster open communication and entrepreneurial spirit in the daily challenge of satisfying the customer and understanding their needs. Abbott recognizes both their internal and external customer, which gives Abbott the competitive edge. With over $7 billion in sales annually and through a diversified product line, Abbott Laboratories has been at the forefront of the healthcare industry for quality manufacturing, service, and distribution. Specifically, the Abbott Diagnostic Division, ADD, researches, develops, and markets diagnostic products worldwide in three major areas: immunodiagnostics, clinical chemistry, and physician's office alternate care centers. All products are distributed through our Centralized Distribution Center, CDC, which is located in the North Chicago K-Complex site. This centralized distribution center was transformed from an old paper-burdened system to a paperless system utilizing high-tech scanning devices, barcode technology, high-speed automation equipment, and the state-of-the-art computer system. This provides total operational control through a real-time management of all inventory, equipment, and people, while ensuring speed, accuracy, and control. This innovative system, 3 years in the making, has exceeded the standards of any other distribution system worldwide, controlling the processes from order entry through manifesting the final shipment. Here's a look at processing an order through the centralized distribution system.
Good morning, Abbott Laboratories. This is Karen. How may I help you?
Hi, Karen. This is Dr. Jack Chilingarian. I'd like to place an order. My customer number is 809461.
Hello, Dr. Chulingarian. What exactly would you like to order today?
This is an extremely important order which I need to be delivered tomorrow. 5 kits of TDX FLX ethanol catalog number 9546-60, 10 kits of catalog number 9507-60, 10 kits of FLX phenobarb 2, 10 kits of diluent buffer, and 10 kits of catalog number 9519-60.
Thank you for your order. We will ship this out for you today, and it will ship Federal Express Priority 1 service for delivery tomorrow before noon.
Thank you very much.
After the customer service representative places the order into the RZZ computer, the order remains in the system until the traffic department at K2 in the North Chicago facility pulls the orders over into the DDS2 computer, the distribution traffic system. As the traffic department pulls the orders over from RZZ to DDS2, DDS2 then breaks the catalog items on the order down into the pickable components. Following the allocations of the inventory, the order is downloaded into the Distribution Floor Control System, DFCS, where it first goes through order breakdown. Depending upon the size, volume, hazard class distribution group, and/or packaging instructions of the order, the computer breaks down this order into either a tote, dry wet ice, bulk, or full case shipment. As the order is broken down, tasks are generated in DFCS for the radio data terminal operator, or RDT, on the warehouse floor for each of the 4 different type of shipments. The order that was placed by the doctor would be separated in this fashion: tote, dry wet ice, bulk, or full case shipment. The product has been separated under the appropriate pick-pack shipping operation. As you will note, this order contains product that needs to be processed in each of the 4 different types of shipments through the CDC system. We will first walk through the tote processing part of the order. The RDT operator will be prompted with a pick job to move product from a primary reserve or backup location to a forward pick or tote picking location in order to process the tote orders that have been downloaded. The RDT operator is directed to move a certain amount of product from one primary reserve location to either an ambient or cooler forward pick location. Upon the completion of the replenishment job, the RDT operator confirms that the product is in correct forward pick location. The system then inducts this order into the tote conveyor system and assigns a specific tote number to this order by scanning the barcode ID on the tote. The tote is then directed to the proper forward pick location. Once in the pick zone, the tote is scanned twice to verify the tote ID. The bay lights in the given area which an operator will need to pick will be lit up. The operator is then directed to the specific bay light, looks for the light emitting diode, LED, lit up within the bay, and picks the number of kits displayed on the readout unit, ROU. Once the kits are picked, the light is extinguished and the pick is completed. The operator continues to look for other picks within the pick zone. If there aren't any other bay lights lit, the tote is completed in the given pick zone, and the tote is placed back on the takeaway conveyor line to the recirculation line. The tote continues to recirculate around the conveyor system until all zone stops for which the tote is destined have been satisfied. Once the tote order has been completely picked, the conveyor will direct the tote to the check weigher scale. The scale weighs the tote and determines the accuracy of all the picks. If the weight of the pick kits do not equal the expected weight of the tote order, the tote is then flagged to be diverted to the exception pack station, where it will be 100% checked. If the weight of the picked kits is equal to the weight of the ordered kits, according to the computer system, the tote is then routed to any of the 16 different pack stations. At the pack station, totes are conveyed to the operator. As the operator scans the tote, the LCD liquid crystal display displays the type of box, dunnage, and hazardous labels used in packing the tote shipment. While the printer is printing the packing detail, summary, and shipping label, the operator assembles the box and packs the kits. When printing is complete, the operator places the packing detail summary into the box, affixes the hazardous labels and shipping label, and sends it through the automatic tape machine and out to the dock. As mentioned earlier, the scale will flag certain totes to be routed to the exception packing station, which will be 100% checked for any possible picking errors. It is here where the entire contents of the tote is checked for the correct list, lot, and quantity of each kit. Once the tote has been 100% checked for any discrepancies and corrected if necessary, the order is packed using the correct box, dunnage, and hazard labels as designated by the liquid crystal display LCD, and sent through the automatic taper to the ship dock. The next type of shipment in this order is a dry-wet ice order. A DWI shipment is created when the stability of some of our products dictates that they be shipped to our customers on wet or dry ice to ensure product performance. Similar to the tote RDT operator, the DWI RDT operator is prompted with a task to move product from a primary reserve temporary staging in the dry or wet ice packing area. The RDT terminal directs the operator to the location to pick a specified number of kits. In the example of the doctor's order, the computer database indicates that the product requires a DWI shipment. Now that the batch pick has been completed, the RDT operator confirms that the product has been moved and is now ready for the order to be packed. The DWI packer is then prompted with the pick list order. The order is packed according to the pick list generated, using the correct ice chest, dunnage, and hazard labels noted. Once the order is packed, the shipping label is printed. The packing detail summary is placed inside the box, the shipping label is placed on top of the box, and the box is sent through the automatic taper to the ship dock. The next type of shipment the doctor ordered is a bulk order which is processed. A bulk order is determined when the quantity ordered exceeds the logical limit of tote processing. The process begins once again with the RDT operator in the warehouse who is prompted with the job to move product from a primary reserve or the temporary staging area. Upon the completion of the batch pick to the bulk area, the RDT operator confirms that the product has been moved and is now ready for the orders to be processed. Similar to the DWI shipment, the operator is prompted with the order to be processed once the inventory has been delivered to the bulk area. The operator packs the order according to the packing instructions on the pick list, including the box number, dunnage, and hazard labels. Once complete, the packing detail summary and shipping label is printed. The final step is accomplished when the packing detail summary is placed inside the box with the shipping label on the outside. The box is then taped and sent to the shipping dock. The final shipment processed for the doctor's order is a full case shipment. A full case shipment is generated anytime a product can be shipped in the original corrugate box and no additional packing is required. Once again, the process begins with an RDT operator who is prompted to pick a certain amount of cases from a specific primary reserve location. She then brings this material to the full case staging area. Once the RDT operator completes the batch pick for the full case area, the RDT operator confirms that the product has been moved and is ready for the shipping label to be printed. The operator in the full case area keys in the list and lot number of the products that have been delivered. All the shipping labels of the various customers ordering this given product are then printed. The boxes are then labeled and placed on the conveyor line and sent out to the shipping dock. Now that the entire order for the doctor has been processed through the 4 different areas, the packed boxes are ready for shipping. The conveyor routes all of the boxes around the facility out to the shipping dock, where each box is sorted by carrier. Since the doctor's order was requested to ship via Federal Express P1 service, the entire shipment of the different boxes are diverted to the Federal Express P1 line, where they are barcode scanned and manifested. Once again, Abbott successfully exhibits total customer satisfaction. The customer gets just what he wants, a quality product in a timely manner with exceptional service. Who could ask for more? The CDC system has been up and running since July 17, 1991. The K-Complex currently handles over 2,000 different stock-keeping units. There are more than 1,200 forward pick locations and 4,500 primary reserve locations. In less than 5 months of operation, this state-of-the-art distribution system routinely ships out over 10,000 boxes a day and picks over 6,000 tote shipments. This year alone, the distribution operation projects that it will pick over 25 million pieces.